a good time. I know you by your phone, so boy, pick up your line. I ain't too proud to be. Welcome to my channel, beauties, or welcome back. So today I'm giving you a little tutorial on this hair right here and how I customize my lace frontal. This is Klaiyi's hair company. This is their boxing. This is the company right here. This is their Water Wave 22 inch 180% density hair. This is their wig. I did not make my own wig this time. I usually do, but this time I didn't. I really hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And hit that bell just so you won't forget about me. So we're getting straight into the video. I'm just showing you the lace here and that it has 3 combs and an adjustable strap. So first we're going to cut this bottom part off. We do not need that. And I did use this tint. I will link it below because it barely focused. So we're going to get this nice and snug. I did pre-pluck this and made a part before this video. We need to cut these side parts off. I think they're called ear tabs. I am not sure, but I'm cutting them behind my ear so it's not cutting anything off. I've sectioned off how I want to do this, so I'm going in with the Got To Be glue spray and I'm applying it with a small brush because it is easier and less messy. Make sure using the blow dryer you're on cool setting. Usually the side parts are a little harder to stay down, so I'm using the Got2b actual glue to hold it down better afterwards. After I let it dry, I'm going in with this toner. I should have used alcohol, but it's the same thing basically, just to wipe the glue away. And now it's time for the frustrating part for me, because the baby hairs I'm really picky with them, and they're kind of hard to do in a certain way because it's not my natural hairline. So the first product I used was a cream gel. I didn't like it as much, so I did go on top of it with a foam and then the Got2b glue. So the baby hairs are finally done. So I'm just using a regular water bottle to spray water on this hair. And then I'm going to use the Klaiyi product to make the curls a little bit more bouncy. And I'm going in with the shiner just to give my hair a little bit of a glow. But that's it for the video, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below to my channel.